Myself, Azmat Khan, Telangana-based author and social activist. As an author, I would like to share my views from my depth of the heart regarding towards success and achievement of goal with examples of those legends created their own history. You can also create your own history. You can also create your own history. It's possible. It's possible. Highly possible. Highly possible. You must be trust yourself. You must be trust yourself. Human beings are superior over all creatures in this universe. We came in this world for short time. Nobody can predict how long it will be going to end. Half of the life evaporate in sleeping only. Remaining half is extremely short. Extremely short. Wake up. Time is running out. Respect time. Time is precious. Time is gold. Time is money. Time will not wait for anyone. Time will not wait for anyone. As I mentioned in my previous video, life is lifeless. Life is lifeless without any desire and ambition. Overnight, we are not become a millionaire. Success will not come within 1 or 2 days. For that, we have to struggle from grassroots level. We have to struggle from grassroots level. Everyone has some type of talents. Don't underestimate yourself. You must be trust yourself. Human brain is like a power plant. Human brain is like a power plant. How much you want to generate power? You can. Nothing impossible. How much you want to generate power? You can. But someone in trap of inferiority complex, fear, due to negative thoughts, unable to show down their talents, remain in darkness. So sad. Remaining darkness. So sad. Unless you crush negativity, fear, these are crush you 2 meters below the ground. 2 meters below the ground. Negative thoughts. None other than like a person lying on deathbed. Like a person lying on deathbed. So suicidal, so suicidal. Be alert, be positive. Think big. Think rich. Think big. Think rich. The period between birth and death, the period between birth and death should be filled with something. Something. So, generations will remember. Generations will remember. Those remembered by the generations, they are very successful. They are very successful personalities. Those are always confident, positive thinkers and achievers. They are very positive. They are achievers. 20% peoples only out of 100 successful in this world. Only 20% peoples only out of 100. You can be also in that successful list. It's possible. Nothing impossible. It's possible. You can also join in that list, success list. Be confident. Set a goal with burning desire. Set a goal with burning desire. Go ahead until achieve the goal. Go ahead until achieve the goal. Don't hide your inner talents. Don't hide your inner talents. An idea can change your life. An idea can change your life. Sometimes success is within hairline difference only. Within hairline difference only. Don't give up. Don't give up. Health is, be concentrate. Be concentrate on your health. Health is very important nowadays. Health is very, very important nowadays. Without health, you can't move. Without health, you can't move. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Wealth is meaningless if there is no health. According to the situations, you have to move. Should be update. Should be update always. Then only you will be remain in this competition world. You will be remain in this competition world. Unless you will be washed out of contest. If you go back through the pages of history, you can find a scientist who never give up. He is none other than Thomas Alva Edison, inventor of electric bulb. He achieved his goal after several attempts. He achieved his goal after several attempts. No communications, no transportations, no technology. In thick of darkness, two sailors, Vasco da Gama and Columbus, with their burning desire, achieved their ambition by travel across the globe to find new destinations. I am going to mention names of few more icons who rised from ground level to sky high. The former head of the White House, Washington DC, District of Columbia, United States of America, Abraham Lincoln. Missile man, scientist, all-time great, former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. The backbone of Indian economy, financial pillar, founder of Reliance Group, Dhirubhai Ambani. The sportsman who crossed several milestones, so many milestones in history of world cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Music composer, winner of Oscar Award, A.R. Rahman. Finally, one more distinguished personality ever seen. He is none other than Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Sri KCR sir, who led the movement, who led the Telangana movement, create another history. The man behind Telangana become a 29th state of Indian Union. Telangana become a 29th state of Indian Union. These all respected personalities struggle with confidence. They never give up. Achieved peak of the heights in their vision. Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. Just set a goal with burning desire. Achieved with burning desire. Set a goal with burning desire. Don't give up until achieve. Positive thoughts, positive sense is life. Positive sense is life. Enjoy every moment. Negative sense is none other than deathbed. None other than deathbed. Be confident. Be positive. Be confident. Be positive. Thank you. Jai Hind.